Hi everyone, I'm Niyati.
And I'm Saili and we're Fin Cocktail together.
So today we're going to talk about child plans that help you save and insure for your child's future.
So let's dive right in.
तो ये child plan होता क्या है? It's basically a combination of investment and insurance जो आपकी child के future financial planning के लिए help करता है to take care of their needs and requirements at the right age. Under a child policy, life insurance cover is available as a lump sum payout at the end of the policy term. That's not it. These plans offer coverage to your child in terms of flexible payouts at different milestones to achieve different goals in life. For example, education.
क्या आपको पता है कि almost 65% of parents say that they spend more than 50% of their annual income सिर्फ अपने बच्चों की पढ़ाई और एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज पे. According to a survey, parents have seen the increase in cost related to education for their children. The survey revealed that average spending on a single child has increased from 65,000 in 2011 to almost a lakh in 2019. That's crazy, right?
So let's try and understand what these plans exactly are and get into some details about them.
ये child education plan को हम investment कम insurance plans बोलते हैं because they have an element of both in them. They basically help you take care of your child's future financial requirements by accumulating a little wealth over time. ये child plans आपके बच्चे को एक lump sum amount भी देते हैं at maturity to cover their marriage expenses or education.
There are certain benefits of a child education plan, including helps build a corpus for your child's education. ये amount आपके child को basically future educational requirements के लिए help करता है without taking any stress or financial burden. Allows for a kitty for medical treatment. Child plans give you the option to withdraw money at any point in time अगर आपके बच्चे को medical treatment की ज़रूरत हो when he or she falls ill.
The benefits also extend to supporting the child in the absence of their parents, income protection for the child, a collateral for higher education, and partial withdrawal for talent enhancement. अगर आपको और details चाहिए इसके बारे में, तो head over to policybazaar.com and check these plans out.
A wise man once said, your child will keep building castles in the air. You better start buying bricks for those castles today. Loving your child is what comes naturally. But as a responsible parent, you have certain obligations towards your child. Getting a child plan can be a great step towards building those bricks.
Some key features of a child plan include waiver of premium benefit. This is an inherent feature of a child plan. Now, this is applicable only if a parent dies in a stipulated period. अगर ऐसा कुछ हो जाता है, तो the sum assured is paid to the nominated beneficiary, and the due premium for the rest of the policy is paid for by the insurance company. Partial withdrawal. It's often seen that parents don't really wait for the policy to mature. वो थोड़े-थोड़े time के बाद थोड़ा-थोड़ा पैसा withdraw करते रहते हैं as and when they need it. ये usually होता है so that a parent can fulfill the child's financial needs at certain key moments. Most child plans come with an option to partially withdraw after the child turns 18.
Other key features include sum assured, tax benefits, loan benefits, immediate financial protection, riders and add-ons.
The best way for you to get the most out of your child plans is to, number one, start early. जितने जल्दी शुरू करोगे उतना easy आपके लिए और उतने benefits आपके child के लिए. Next, you should choose the premium waiver benefit. This is one of the key features जो आपको miss बिल्कुल नहीं करनी चाहिए. Number three, opt for partial withdrawals. Now, you can't really predict when you may need the money, so you don't want to be stuck without an option, right? Last but not least, select a trusted appointee who will make sure that your child receives all the benefits if something were to happen to you.
And finally, आपकी बजट, नीड्स और रिक्वायरमेंट्स के बेसिस पर बहुत सारे वेरिएंट्स होते हैं चाइल्ड प्लान्स के. तो इसमें बेस्ट यही होगा कि आप कोट्स कंपेयर करें फ्रॉम वेरियस इंश्योरर्स. अब आपका ये काम भी काफ़ी आसान हो गया है बाय हेडिंग ओवर टू वेबसाइट्स लाइक पॉलिसी बाजार वेयर यू कैन कंपेयर इंश्योरेंस कोट्स फ्रॉम वेरियस कंपनीज. So get cracking, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to their channel.